Tired of seeing shorts when you're searching on YouTube? In 2026, you can now exclude shorts from search results. Here's how to do it on YouTube. Open the YouTube app and tap the search icon in the top right. Type what you're looking for and tap search. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select search filters. Under type, tap video. Shorts are now treated separately, so this removes all shorts from your results. Tap the back arrow to see only long-form videos. Go to youtube.com and search for anything. Click filters above the search results. Under type, select video. This filters out shorts and shows only full-length videos. This setting applies per search, so you'll need to use filters each time you search. And that's it. That's how to exclude shorts from YouTube search results in 2026. Like and subscribe for more YouTube tips.